that role when it was transferred to the Yugoslav Air Force. In 1975 it was donated to the Zambian Air Force, and now another head of state, President Kenneth Kaunda, started flying in it. The Flying Bulls saw it was up for sale. He went to Namibia, concluded a deal. The aircraft was delivered to Salzburg in July 2000. It was given a ground-up restoration and it flew again in August 2004. It goes all over Europe on not just air display appearances but also Red Bull business. Flown many Red Bull supported athletes in various disciplines, and in fact only this past week before the aircraft came to Duxford it went planners needed. And so number 16 Squadron, part of the second, was in the lead up to the 6th of June. These aircraft flying alone and unarmed. Except for the CO, whom we suspect had a clue.
And you can't beat the sound of the Merlin engine. Do you know what?
After the worst of the COVID-19 pandemic, and it was flown by Martin Overall. And they're coming in on the hard runway, the Fighter Aviation Engineering Spitfire 14E, in which Dave Pulliston, I suspect,